So this is what I'm looking for, remember? I think it's in there. I went into Shinjuku station and she told me to go around the corner and give me it on the map, so I think this is it. So we're looking for that machine to get my Fuji train tickets. So there's my QR code, hopefully. So yeah, yeah, easy as that. So put my QR code in, issue tickets. Sorry about the flashing lights.
Don't forget your card and ticket.
Huh?
Issuing ticket now. Please don't forget your card.
Where's
Please
my
take your
ticket?
ticket.
There it is.
Thank you very much.
There it is. There's my tickets. Easy as that. Easy as that. Right, I will show you where this machine is. So this is where we came in. Oh, the bus station is across there. So you walk straight in here and that's the machine I used. That one. And I got my tickets.